So we've previously looked at Glide AI on this channel and the different use cases to leverage their AI directly within your data table. Now for today's tutorial, we'll be taking a look and building with their new AI feature, Document to Text. We're going to be building a syllabus extractor that pulls information from a PDF file, allowing you to have several files compiled all into one application. This is a game-changing feature for college students, real estate professionals, business professionals, and so many other use cases. Let's go ahead and start building. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss when we post a new video. Okay, so we find ourselves at glideapps.com. We're going to go ahead and create a new app. And this is going to be the syllabus app. Our use case is going to be creating a syllabus extractor app. This is going to give you the ability to upload a screenshot of your syllabus and the ability to upload a PDF file of your syllabus so that it's all nice and collected in a single app. Glide automatically prompts you with these tables. We're going to go ahead and delete them because we won't be using them. And then let's go ahead and change our icon just so we have fun little graduation cap to build off of. So here's our app. And then we're going to go ahead and create a new table. And in this table, we will be naming it the syllabus log. We're going to keep this name column right here because that's going to be the name of whatever course you're entering. But for this new column that we add to the right, this will be our syllabus itself that we upload. So it's just going to be a basic type image. Save that. And then we are going to add another column, and this will be called the extracted text column. And for this, we're going to go to AI, image to text. And the image we're going to make sure is the syllabus that we upload. Okay, so once I have my extracted text column, I'm going to go ahead and go into the layout. So let's go ahead and add that table into our navigation. And then as you can see in the components section, it automatically adds a collection tab for you. So in the style, I'm going to change this into a list for formatting. And then as you can see, it gives you a button to upload. So I pulled a syllabus from online, and it just so happens to be Chem 0310. It's just a random chemistry class. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload a PNG file or a JPEG file. Let's go ahead and open that. It's uploading, and then I'm going to go and submit it. We have that here. Let's go back in our data and adjust it. As you can see, our extracted text did literally extract the text from it, and the method that it used was just described. So what we got was a paper with a text and a black text. So that's not very helpful in this use case. We're going to go ahead and change this method to extract text as a JSON. I'm doing this so it formats really nicely and allows for the other columns to pull from it. Okay, so it looks good. We have our professor, we have our name, the professor's email, office hours, the course materials. Great, so let's go ahead and add in our other columns. So this next column is going to be office hours because I'm going to want to extract the office hours for each class. So this one is going to be generate text. My S. Okay. And so for the input, I'm going to put extracted text because that's what we're going to be pulling from. And then for our instructions, give me a day and time of the office hours and keep it concise. Save. Okay, so as you can see, it instantly generated for us. We have our office hours, Tuesdays from 4 to 5 p.m. and then Thursdays from 1 to 2 p.m. Amazing. So let's go ahead and add our next column. And this is going to be the phone number of our professor. And this will be text to number. So we are going to make sure our input is the extracted text. And for our instructions, we will say extract the phone number from extracted text. I'm actually going to change this to give me the phone number. And for our precision, phone numbers don't have decimals in them, so I'm going to keep it at 1. And then I also don't want any commas or anything, so I'm going to take this group separator off, save that. And there you are. We have our phone number. Let's go ahead and double check this. If we open the syllabus, we see that a phone number is 412-624-8727. Perfect. So that worked. Let's go ahead and create another one. And this is just going to be our instructor name. And this one is going to be a generate text column as well. We're going to make sure our input is the extracted text. And then for the instructions, give me the name of the professor and format it with just the name. Okay, looks good. Now that we have our extracted text, our office hours, our phone number, and our instructor name, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the layout. So for Chem 0310, the description, I don't want to be the extracted text. I'm going to have that be the instructor name just so it's easier to reference. So we have our syllabus log, we have our rubric, the name of the course, and then also our doctor. So we're going to click in here and add some components. So as you can see, it has our fields for us. And then all I'm going to do is go into this side panel and just add items. So let's just go ahead and add everything. Okay, we don't need our instructor name. Okay, so I took away the name because we don't need it twice. So now that we have everything in here, we are going to move our instructor name up to the top, right underneath name. We have our syllabus right here. We will not need our extracted text, and then we'll keep the office hours and phone number. So now you see that once we click into this course, we'll have our name, our instructor name, the syllabus, the office hours, as well as our professor's phone number. Of course, you can add other things such as assignments, due dates. This is just an example of how many possibilities just from uploading a screenshot of a syllabus, and then it pulls all this information. Let's try this with a PDF now. We're going to go back into our data table, and we're going to create a duplicate from our extracted text. But instead of the typing image to text, we're actually going to use the document to text. So now that we have our extracted text copy, we're going to see how we can upload a PDF file and then pull this exact same information from a PDF. So we're going to go to our layout, and in the components section, we're going to click where we add an item, and instead of this being an image picker, we're going to delete that and then add a file picker. And then now if you see, it gives us the name, and then it, instead of prompting us to choose an image, it prompts us to choose a file. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose one of these PDFs I have for a different syllabus. And this is going to be Chem 1380. Submit that. Okay, so we have that uploaded. Let's go take a look in our data. Okay, if you can see, it's already starting to process all this information. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so let's see what it extracted. We have our hours. Those are going to be by appointment. Chapters. Okay, it pulled a lot. And the reason why we make a copy of this is because for the rest of the columns, they'll go based off of not the JSON format, but when it pulls from a PDF, you can see that it pulls all of this information and separates it. So we have our class, the chemistry number that it is, our email, and so on and so forth, our office hours. Yeah. Okay, so for our 3 columns that extract, we're going to actually change the input to our extracted text copy. See, it is updating. Save that. Instructor name, extracted text copy. All right, so let's take a look at what we pulled. Our office hours, by appointment, send an email. Totally fine. Phone number, we have our phone number there. Let's just double check that. Here we go, 412-624, great. And then our instructor name, we have Professor Dennis P. Curran, right? Let's take a look at our layout. And as you can see, it does have our Chemistry 1380. It has our professor name. Let's click into this. And the name, instructor name, our syllabus. Since the PDF, it won't really show. Let me see if I can edit that. Yeah, it'll just have, that's totally fine. The office hours, by appointment, send an email, and then our phone number. Okay, everything looks great. This is honestly so powerful. Within seconds, we were able to upload a multiple page document in Glide Extracted all of its contents and provided us with everything that we were looking for to really understand this syllabus. Of course, you're able to add more information such as due dates along with assignments, grading percentages, and so much more. I know I definitely wish I had these tools when I was in college, so I hope this use case was helpful, and of course you can apply this in several different ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the push notifications to be notified when we post our next video.